stirred something.
Yeah.
You gotta pull this thing.
4 people on board.
Talk to you guys.
Yeah, you sure did.
Everybody's okay though? I mean,
everybody's good. Your sandals floating over there.
5013.
Thanks again, gentlemen.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry about Saturday.
Isn't that the best day with the boat when you buy it and when you sell it? Oh, you didn't get to sell
We
it.
didn't get to sell it. We just talked it instead.
Wasn't it pink?
I think we're good. We have all the occupants to the boat. We're going to bring the cruise right back to dock.
It's too bad. Larson, I'm at what's the start of CR, and
Then we'll go back out and see if we can't find exactly where it's located.
sure.
So we can get Forest Service in the loop on that.
Yeah, and I would say, based on the angle, I'd probably say closer to that buoy right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, maybe 20, 30 yards past that, right in there.
Perfect.
Yeah, because then we drifted quite a bit.
Oh, you know that? No.
My radio's on and unplugged, so you should be able to hear it.